Hey y'all, it's Rene here and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Come on in because I got a whole bunch of space for you, okay? This is a place where I do my hair, a little bit of beauty, and I basically just pull myself together. And if you are coming back to join me again for another time, I thank you and I appreciate you. And so today we're going to be getting to this nice little style I got going on here. Another braid style coming at you. And if you want to see how I did this, be sure to stay tuned. Hey y'all, so I'm starting off on freshly washed, deep conditioned, and detangled hair. You know what I'm about to do. I'm about to dampen it a little bit, add my leave-in conditioner, my curl activator cream, and a little bit of grapeseed oil. So let's get into that, okay? All right, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and separate the hair, get a little bit of water out, and just go ahead and dampen it on up. So I'm gonna get my leave-in conditioner into my hair. Alright, so after I get that leave-in conditioner on my hair, I run my easy detangler through it just to make sure I got it all worked through. Then I go in with my favorite curl activator because we got to get those curls poppington, okay? Then I follow with my grapeseed oil, just making sure I'm coating the hair, making sure everything is all sealed in, and my hair is ready to go, okay? My hair is ready to go on the journey that I'm about to put it on, okay? And then I run that easy detangler brush through just to make sure all my hair is detangled. I'm telling y'all, it's nothing worse than doing your hair and your hair's not detangled and you're just trying to get the process over. You're just trying to make it through. So make sure you take time with your prep work. All right, what's up y'all? So I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do to my hair. I have everything prepped, you know, and conditioned and ready to go to be styled. Ooh, feeling good, feeling great. All right, I want y'all to watch right here. Watch right here when I take this comb through my head and I do this part, how important prep work is. So I'm gonna take this comb, run this hair down, run that joker down, and just to go from the tip of my head to the side of my ear. And y'all saw how easily my hair split apart? That's the kind of stuff you need to be on, okay? Try to make things easier for you, okay? I went ahead and did a downward diagonal part to separate the front a bit more. And now with this section, I'm gonna establish like the separation from the front to the back of my hair to make like a nice dome, and you'll see it in a short. But I go ahead and separate the hair to get that part started. And then I'm gonna go ahead and, of course, detangle that back section. You gotta keep everything detangled, right? And after that, I'm gonna twist it up and get it pinned up out the way and move on to the next section. Make sure when you're doing your hair, you just try your best to enjoy it, you know? Be grateful for the time that you have to invest in it. Be grateful for the privilege that it is for you to actually sit down and take time to, you know, love on yourself and do your hair. Like, just try your best to enjoy it, right? All right, so now I'm gonna refine this front section, parting it and making like a nice dome shape so we can actually, you know, start braiding and really get into the style. After I got that front part like I like it, I gotta go to the other side of the head and establish the back side of my hair too, because we didn't do that. So you gotta make sure, you know, they match. The best symmetry you can get, okay? So we got the front all parted out, the back parted out, and the far back parted out. So, you know, now we're ready. So we're gonna take that back section, dampen it up a little bit, throw on our favorite, you know, curling custard. So, you know, those curls can continue to pop, you know, those waves can really be on swim. And then we're gonna get this little ponytail going right here. So boom, we got half the style done already. We got half of it done already. This nice ponytail established. And we're gonna twist this ponytail and get it up out of our way. Now you see this nice dome part I got going on here. And I'm going the extra mile. I'm gonna go ahead and slide that band down a little bit because your hair's gonna tighten up when it dry. And we don't wanna pull no hairs. And now we're gonna establish our second braid down the side of our head, okay? I'm gonna dampen the hair up, get my curling custard on there, you know, so the hair will work with me and be easy to glide on through. I'm gonna go ahead and coat it with my styling foam because, you know, that makes my braiding process a bit easier too when I got the styling foam up there. And then, you know what? We're gonna go ahead and cornrow this hair right on down and get this braid set up and ready to go, okay? And y'all see me here just braiding right on down. You know, it's a little awkward getting the hands, you know, get your arms in place. But once you get that part, you're good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and detangle the end so that braid can be the bomb diggity, okay? I dried up some of that styling foam with a towel, and boom, there we go. The braids are there, they're ready, okay? And now let's go ahead and tackle the front of our hair. Since we got the 2 braids already installed, I just went ahead and did the side part, because you know what we're gonna do with this braid? We're gonna send that joker to the back, okay? So we're gonna braid that one backwards. I dampen everything up, get my curling custard on it and my styling foam, and went ahead and braided it on back. Be careful when you're braiding along that edge line, because you don't want to snatch your own edges. And now, boom, I'm on the other side, and I'm just gonna part that straight down, because guess what? We taking those braids straight down to the forehead, okay? And so since we got all of our braids installed, what are we gonna do with them, right? That's like the big ticket question. I'm gonna take 2 of the braids, bring them back to the ponytail, okay? Now see, this is how we're gonna add the razzle dazzle. This is how we're gonna add the razzle dazzle with 5 simple braids, right? Get them back there with the ponytail, and I just held those in place with a rubber band. Okay, take that front braid, bring that joker on back, and take that other one from the other side, and guess what? We're crossing over the other braid and bringing it on back into that ponytail, okay? Now look, now you can see the razzle, now you can see the dazzle, and then I went ahead and just secured that with a rubber band as well. Now it's like, okay girl, what we're gonna do with this ponytail? We can't leave this twist in here, don't you worry, okay? We're gonna take those 4 braids that we tied in, get them down, take them on loose, and secure all of it with a band. So that's why initially you don't want things too tight. You don't want things too tight, okay? Because you're gonna have a couple of bands up there, okay? Right? So we're going to go ahead and dampen that ponytail and get that ready, because that's what we're going to do with that. We're going to braid that too, okay? So we're going to put that styling foam on all of that ponytail right there, okay? And we're going to work that styling foam through, because we don't got time for no raggedy plaits, okay? We don't got time for raggedy braids, okay? That styling foam is here to do the job that it has been here to do. Right? And what is that? Help us style this braid. So I went ahead and separated that ponytail into 3 big pieces. Try to make them equal, okay? So your braid can be top-notch slick. And I went ahead and braided the hair on down, making sure I kept a tight grip on that braid, okay? Keep a tight grip on that braid with each pass so that it can really be uniform, okay? And so after I braid down a little bit, and make sure all the little shorter hairs are tucked in real well, I'm gonna take that braid and detangle, because you know as we went down, some things got a little tangled, okay? And that's how we're gonna keep the sleekness of the braid, keeping everything detangled. And I'm gonna go ahead and work that braid all the way down to the end, and you know, throw a band on it. Alright y'all, so I'm back. So I went ahead and added my styling foam on the braids, and I put my scarf on top, you know, to let the style set a little bit more, okay? But let's look at this back braid though, okay? This back braid is giving very much Laura Croft, okay? Hello? See how long it's getting? And before somebody say, girl, it's gonna shrink up, it's not dry yet. Let me have it. Just let me have it. But anyway, so I wanted to, I know y'all noticed like how high I went ahead and banded the top of this ponytail. I wanted to try something a little new with the end. So I'm gonna take a little bit of like my curling custard here, and then just kind of, you know, rub around my fingers. And so the razzle dazzle, I wanted the little extraness that I wanted was 3 curls instead of 1 big curl at the end. So that's what I was trying to do. All right, we're gonna go ahead and let the hair dry, and I'll be back, y'all. Y'all. Okay, get into it. Look. I mean, come on, y'all. Come on. Look at the creativity. You see the braids? Wait. Look how they coming into the ponytail, okay? The creativity, and it's so simple. Nothing about this is really complex. Maybe, you know, getting the braids right here, but like, hello, I got another one for y'all, okay? So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any other hairstyles you want to see. Let me know down below, okay? Now, since I be dropping these hot fire styles like this, you need to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, okay? And until next time, see you later. Hey, before you go, don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.